Hello, I'm Madani Arya. In this video, I'm going to talk about whether the computerization of the accounts is useful for small business owners. Bookkeeping today for small business owners. The reason for me to write about bookkeeping today is to show the small business owners the computerization is good. And they do not realize the consequences of having manual accounting work, because manual accounting work could have lots of errors, and also they have to rewrite, they have to recalculate, and that's all take time. And computerizing, if you have accounting packages, if you put one entry into the package, it will do multiple functions, multiple slides. For example, if you put a sales invoice, it will update the debtors control account, general ledger, stock account, all those it will update. For example, if you import the bank statements from the bank account, from your bank account, either using CSV file or straight from their website into your accounting package, the entries for income and expenditure, manual entries for income and expenditure will take a long time, but this will be done in few seconds. After that, when you go to do the categorization of the accounts, it's so easy. It's not difficult at all. It will not take time. So at the end of the day, when you have brought the accounts into the bank, from the bank account into the system, it will produce the balance, trial balance. Always the debit and the credits are equal, and it will produce a balanced trial balance. But that doesn't mean you can't stop there, because you have to put your journal entries to make adjustments. Once you have done that, once you may produce the trial balance, still it will be balanced. But that doesn't mean the trial balance is correct, because you might have made mistakes in journal entries or some posting errors. So that needs to be checked as well. And the other thing, in today's world, so many accounting packages developed which can do so much work, whereas manual work will take lots of times. An important aspect of computerizing the accounts is the accuracy. It will produce accurate accounts, accounting software. A lot of time will not take to produce the accounts. Production of financial statements. You can produce the financial statements after the trial balance has been done, but that doesn't mean you will get a correct financial statements. There might be mistakes in the financial statements, because you have to make the further entries like the assets, capital, liabilities, bad debts, debt control, prepayments, and all those, depreciation, and all those have to be posted into the accounting software. But overall, it will produce once that has been done, once you know you have done the perfect job, it will produce the financial statements. Those financial statements, you can use it to send it to the bank for when you borrow the accounts. If you want to sell your business, you can use those financial statements. If you want to develop your business, also you can use those. The financial statements of a business is useful for everything. And more than that, you will have more peace of mind, because the accurate financial statements have been produced. On the other hand, if you are having employees and you have to pay salaries, then it's another issue. So you can use the payroll software here again. It's so easy. The initial setting up, you need an experienced individual to do the initial setting up, to do the payroll. Once the setting up is done, all the employees have been entered correctly, and the tax codes and everything has been entered correctly. The package will produce a net pay. tax payable to the tax office and the workplace pensions as well. Here again, an individual has to do the initial setting up of the details of employees of the package into the package. All the necessary submissions we have done quickly with the use of the payroll package. Then you will not have to worry about doing manual work and sending things to the tax office and things like that. With all these accounting packages, an entrepreneur can rely on getting accurate and timely reports for the business. That gives a peace of mind and ability to assess the financial situation, financial viability of your business, whether you are doing well or not doing well. You will know. Computerizing accounts will involve few expenses, that is the cost of the accounting package, and you need a fully trained staff to do that, otherwise things will get messed up again. So there's no point in having an accounting package if you don't have a fully trained staff to do that, to handle that. I hope you like these tips. If you really like it, please like my video and share it, and comments as well. I will need some comments as well. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye for now. Talk soon. Thank you.